CNC Wood Router-1325. Original multi-spindle drill head auto-change CNC milling machine / CNC Wood Router-1325. Item specifics. Brand Robotech CNC or NAV CNC. Condition new model. Number RT25HJ61. Item Max CNC router machine working. Size: 1300 by 2500. Spindle: 9. 0 motor servo. Controller Syntec. Driver lead. Shine. Rails: high-win square. Body heavy duty. Table vacuum table. Warranty: 2 years. Spindle drill head auto change CNC milling machine / CNC Wood Router 1325. Tap CNC router machine technical parameters. Model RDM1325H. X, Y working area 1300 2500 mm. Z working area 200 mm. Table size 2200 x 3400 mm. Resolution 0.01 mm. Lathe structure: seamless welded steel structure, better than cast iron one. X, Y structure: rack and pinion, gear drive. Taiwan Highway H25 square guide rails. Z structure: Taiwan TBI ball screw. Taiwan Highway 25 square guide rails. Spindle 9.0 kW air cooling Italy HQD spindle HST optional. Spindle speed 0.2400 r/min, variable speed. Working voltage AC 380V/50 Hz. Motor and driver LED shine Yaskawa optional. Working mode servo. Command G code, HPGL, UOO, MG, PLT. Operating system Syntec control system. Diameter of cutter by 3.975 by 12.7. Cooling mode: air cooling. Dust collect function: yes. Work holding by suction or clamp. Tool magazine linear style auto tool changer system with 8 pieces of tools. Net weight 1500 kg. Applicable material: acrylics, artificial stones, artificial marble, woods, bamboos, organic boards, double color board, PVC board, aluminum, brass and other materials. Applicable industry: woodworking industry, stone industry, advertising industry, artwork or decoration industry, electronica industry, mold industry and music industry.